Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh, and in current I am working with as a legal intern with Lexis and Company. And my today's topic is mistake of law. And now we will continue with our topic. Mistake of law is a misconception that occurs when a person with a complete knowledge of the fact reaches an erroneous conclusion as to their legal effect, an incorrect opinion, or inference arising from a flawed evaluation of the fact. Generally, a mistaken belief about a law no defines to the violation of that law. All persons are presumed to know the understand the law except a minor person who lacked mentally capacity to contract with others, and in criminal cases persons who are insane. There are however a few other rare exceptions on this general rule. A mistake of law may be helpful to criminal defendants facing prosecution for specific intent crime. A specific intent crime requires that a defendant act with a criminal intent beyond the general intent required to commit the act. Murder, for example, is a specific intent crime, and also the prosecution must show that the defendant specifically intended to kill the victim, to kill the victim without justification. Manslaughter, conversely, requires only a showing that the defendant intended to do those actions that caused the death. If the defendant is charged with a specific intent crime, the defendant reasonably mistaken belief about the law may reduce the defendant's crime liability. For example, assume that the defendant is accused of robbing another person. Assume further that the defendant was actually trying to retrieve money that the alleged victim owed to the defendant. A court may hold that the defendant mistakenly believed that the law allows self-help in such situation, and that the mistaken belief about the law and negated the specific intent required for the crime. That is, the defendant did not have the specific intent to gain control over the property of another person. Generally, a mistake of law is helpful to criminal defendants only in specific intent cases. For a general intent and strict liability crimes, a mistake of law is no defense. There are exceptions to the general rule that ignorance of law is no excuse. And if a defendant relied on a statute that permitted a certain act and the act is later made illegal, the defendant cannot be prosecuted because the act was later on made legal, so he can't prosecute it because at that time the act was not made illegal, so there is no fault of the defendant. So this applies to the general intent, strict liability crime as well as specific intent crime. If a defendant reasonably relies on a judicial decision, an opinion, or a judgment that is later reversed, the reversal does not retroactively make such related act and related act illegal. Similarly, if a defendant act with a reasonable reliance on an official statement of law as an administrative order or form an official interpretation by a public officer or a government agency, the defendant may use the mistake of law defense. Mistaken advice from an attorney, however, does not create a mistake of law defense. So here our topic ends of the mistake of law. So hope you liked my video, and thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.